Alright, so welcome to another episode. Today we're gonna be fixing some issues. I had a you can say not discrepancy, imperfection, I guess you can call it, for my underglow. So whenever you turn on the underglow, you get this light LED shows on the side of the car. I mean, it's nothing to do with the actual LED. Excuse me. But just rather the design of the car. So as you can see the LED bulbs. But so what I ended up doing was I got some cheap Amazon side skirts that just pretty much bolt up into the car. That I think that are universal. I gotta check which side it is. Driver's side. So this is the driver's side. And then so what it does is it just goes on top of it like this, and then that way it kind of hides the actual strap. So today we're going to be installing those as well as doing some oil change. So let's get going on that. So I finally was able to finish the one side, and I'm just gonna continue to do the second one, but this is how it's supposed to look, right? As you can see now, there isn't a strip showing. It's just pure light, which is exactly what I wanted. So I'm so excited to finally have it hidden, because I'm gonna just show you the other side in contrast, how you can see the strip right there, and it does not look nice. So I'm just gonna stop the video right here, and I'm just gonna take a couple pictures later with all finished. And yeah, so while you're at it, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and all that stuff. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.